Okay, Jonathan is boiling Easter eggs so we can color them. And he is teaching his little brother how to do it. Jonathan, I am teaching him, but you know what? He learned this also in cooking class in 8th grade at Sumner Middle School. Very cool. You boys are so awesome.
I don't know. I'm just gonna have to move those.
You want to try and give this person a phone call?
Without dropping them.
Since you can
Alright.
Now put the water in. Turn on the water.
Hot.
No, use the pan. Just do it in the pan. That's what I'm trying to say. There you go. Now fill the pan with water, with that water, just to do it. There you go. Put it underneath. There you go. Good job, Jonathan. Now fill it just over the top of them, okay?
It's hot water.
That's okay. Doesn't matter.
Actually, I think
You have to boil them anyway.
No.
Just over the top. It's getting there. See, look. You're doing good.
Okay, there.
There you go. Perfect. Go ahead. You're fine.
Quiet. Can you please set off this thing?
There you go. Your brother turned off the water. Good job. Now turn on the stove too high to start out.
And then we wait till they boil.
Yep. Then once they start boiling, then you set the timer for 15 minutes.
Yep.
Okay?
I'm not very fond of that sound.
I know. I got to teach you how to set the timer, huh?
I'm pretty sure it's timer.
Let me show you.
I'm pretty sure it's timer.
Yep.
And then I don't know
Push that timer. You push the timer. Look. See? You push this timer right there. And then you push this up to 15 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
When
and
that
then
time
it says
happens.
start or start time, I'm guessing. Or is it start?
No, you just push this. This.
Okay, but then how do I start the timer?
Well, 15 minutes. Then start right there.
Okay, so I press start.
Not yet. But yes. When it's time, you will. Not yet.
Wait, is this minutes or second?
Yep, go up. You'll see. Go to 15.
Wait, will this say 15?
Yes.
So
Okay, now leave it there and do not do it yet. Not until the water boils. Okay, but when it starts boiling, then you push that timer. So just leave it alone for now.
112. It will be 100. No. 312 degrees to boil.
Okay, I'm going to sign off for now until the water boils.